can't find anything in here. I wonder what happened. If you're happy and you know it, clean your space. If you're happy and you know it, clean your space. If you're happy and you know it, and your smile will really show it. If you're happy and you know it, clean your space.
Hello, friends. It's me, Sauerpuss, the creative cat. Today, I'm back in my favorite place in the whole castle. This doesn't look very creative right now. My desk is messy, my art supplies are mixed up, and there's even some garbage all around.
Hi, Sourpuss. Before we create, it looks like it's chore time.
You're right, Penny. A clean space helps my ideas shine. Let's get to work. First things first, garbage goes in the bin. When the trash is gone, there's more room to think.
Go, Sourpuss! Every piece you pick up makes your space brighter. What you need.
Now it's time to put my art supplies where they belong. Markers with markers, crayons with crayons, paintbrushes all together. I always like to have fun and be creative using my little penny pencil. Here's Mini Pencil. I got you now. There you go, little one. Oh, I almost forgot. Folding and stacking my shirts is part of taking care of my space too. A clean desk feels calm. I can already think better.
A clean desk means a clear mind.
Did you know we have a special Sauerpuss and Friends store on Etsy? It's true. You can find awesome digital downloads like chore charts and reward charts, just like the ones we use in the Creativity Castle. These charts make chores fun and help you build good habits every day. Plus, you can print them out at home and start using them right away. If you want to try them too, just ask your grown-up to visit our Etsy store. Check out the link below. Keep practicing good habits together.
Oh, now we're organized. Way to go!
See you next time, and remember to
be creative!
I love to be creative. I love to draw and play. I love to paint. I love to sketch and color every day. I love to be creative. Imagine and pretend. When I play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends.
That's me! Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you'll be ready for our next creative show.
Whoopee! Join us next time at Sauerpuss and Friends.
And remember to subscribe to our channel.
Remember to give us a thumbs up.
Be sure to check out our other videos on our Sauerpuss and Friends channel. We have all sorts of creative stories and activities for children of all ages.